interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Clarkston Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RVD 6200. On June 11, Noah Singelton, a 6-month-old black male, was abducted by Emmanuel Singelton, a 24-year-old black male, and was last seen on Highway 78 headed east, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Noah Singelton or the gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RVD 6200, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and the CSend app for the iPhone and Android users.
That I gotta try. Blueberry Faygo.
Doesn't break. I like it. Break the ice. You could go.
Oh.
We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement.
I'll put you.
Child alert.
I don't get that station.
The Clarkston Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RVD 6200. On June 11, Noah Singelton, a 6-month-old black male, was abducted. Emergency missing child.
Oh, here we go.
Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert, and was last seen on Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a gray 2000. If you have any information on the Georgia tag RVD 6200. On June 11, Noah Singelton.
That's 3 stations. I'm getting it on 3 stations.
Please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line last seen on Highway 78 headed east, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Noah Singelton or the gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RVD 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and the CSend app for the iPhone and Android users.
Either natural materials like cotton, rope, wood, or bamboo, or make toys out of old shirts, socks.